Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Uniicornslimeshop slime from his Unicorn experience. I think all of these are Easter related. And I'm excited because he sent me this for free, and I'm going to be completely honest. I'm not going to be biased towards it because he's my friend, but I'm really excited. If you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And remember to turn on my post notification so you won't miss another video like this. And let's try to get this video to 300 likes. I know we can do it, so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I pull out is the slime care sheet, and it just says what you need to like make the borax solution that he included. So yeah. So the next thing I pull out is Easter confetti blast. This one looks so nice and clear, and it has like fishbowl beads, and it looks super nice because of the sprinkles and the contrast of the colors. I really like this one. So this next one I pulled out is called Mickey's Easter basket, and I'm really excited for this one because I've seen a lot of his like Mickey Easter basket videos on Instagram and on his YouTube, and I'm really excited. The next one is called Carousel Crunch, and as you can see, it's this blue one with like pink, blue, and yellow foam beads, and it looks super nice. I really like it. This next one is called Marshmallow Twist, and this one has like two different colors, and I'm really excited to mix this one together. This one is the OG Chanel number 2, and it's super thick, and I feel like this one's gonna be even better than the last. Tentacle, and this one I think is a Pokemon special. I think he did a collab with this with Slime City Bitch, and I'm really excited for this one because it's a clear slime and it comes with a Pokemon card. It's really cool that he included that. It's called Tentacle. It comes with like gum, and it's super cool how he included it, and it stays with his brand, the Unicorns. Next, he also included this big lollipop, and I'm super excited to eat this because I haven't eaten a lollipop like this before, and that's really cool how he included this. He also included, oh, there's eggs in here, hold up, I think the eggs come with stuff. So he also included some eggs that come with candy. This one comes with the Krabby Patty. A squishy, guys. Look at how cute this sushi squishy is. Super slow rising. Super cool. Borax. 2 packets of borax. More eggs. And yeah, that's it. He also included some grass, and it's really cool how he included grass. So that's it. So his first one he sent was this one called Carousel Crunch, and I'm really excited to open it. So let's open it. All his slimes do come sealed, so you don't have to worry that they're gonna spill during shipping. Oh my god, let's smell it, you guys. It smells, oh, I don't know what this smells like. It smells like confetti cake, but I don't know if that's correct. I'll let you guys know in the comment down below, but it smells super nice, so. This next one is called Tentacle, and this one actually comes with the extra, and it comes with this card. I think he randomizes the cards, but I got Wiggly Stuff or Wiggly Tuff. It's really cute that he includes this. I think this one smells like blueberry, so let's poke it. This one's a jelly slime. I really love the texture of this one, and I like how it's like holdable and not sticky at all. It arrived in perfect condition. I love the color and the little glitters that he added with it. I think this one came out super nice. I really love how it's a jelly slime. So this next one is called Mickey's Easter Basket, and I'm really excited for this one just because he promoted this one so good on Instagram. And it's cloud slime. This smells so good. I don't know what the smell he used for this one, but it comes with 3 charms. It comes with the milk chocolate charm. It also came with the plastic Easter egg. Look at this cute lollipop, you guys. It's so cute. And also look at these confetti sprinkles. They're Mickey ear shape. I really love that. No fallout, no nothing. I really love how it's so soft and stretchy. There's so many good spider webs, and I'm really loving this slime overall. I really love the scent that he used for this one. The fact that he included 3 charms with it, and I really suggest you guys. It's really nice. The color is really nice. The sprinkles are really nice. He included so many sprinkles with it, and I really honestly love this one. So this next one is called Marshmallow Twist. As you can see, it comes with like pink and purple mixed together. And I'm excited to see what it smells like. I bet you it's going to smell like marshmallow. They already said it in the name. I'm dead. What if I'm wrong though? What if it doesn't smell? Yeah, it smells like marshmallow. You see? As you can see, it comes with like pink and purple. Oh my god. I really love this slime. Oh my god. It's so thick. Not as thick as Chanel number 2 though. I bet you anything. But it's so thick. Okay, you guys have to get this one. If you guys can't grab your hands on Chanel number 2, then this one's the one to go for after she's sold out. Oh my god. The clicks, the gloss, the everything, you guys. I am living for this slime. I am shook. This next one is called Easter Confetti Blast, and I am so excited for this one. Let's get open. Let's hope it's not, what's it called? Sticky. Yeah, I don't think it's sticky. Oh my god, if it's completely not sticky or like wet. That was, oh my god. I am shaking to the core. You guys, I don't even want to mess this up. I'm so scared. I'm done for words. That one, oh my god. You guys don't even understand how, oh my god. Oh my god. Hold up. I'm taking the time to process this. What is this? What does he use? Oh my god. Okay, you guys. Oh my god. Look how, oh my god. It's not even, oh my god. I love this texture, you guys. It's super thick. Look how, you guys. Joseph is coming for Snoop Slimes. He is coming for Snoop Slime. He's gonna snatch his weave or her weave and steal his brand. I am, like, who even is Snoop Slimes, you know? Look at the clarity of that. Like, imagine that, but just a clear, like, no colored slime. I am pretty shook. Not sticky at all. I had to take off the saturation just because, look how, like, the color is vibrant. You guys, this one has me shook. Snoop Slimes is shaking. She is trembling. She is triggered. She is baffled. I'm honestly pretty shook, you guys. this last one. Can you guys guess what this one is? I'll give you guys 5 seconds to guess down below in the comments. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this one is Chanel number 2, you guys. You guys probably already know who she is, but he sent me another one and I am pretty happy. So here she is. I bet you she's pretty big. Look, she's already holding her shape. I am shaking. Oh my god. The gloss, the everything. Joseph has everyone in the slime community shaking. Everyone is shaking. Glitter.slimes is on a stretcher. Carly from Slime City Bitch is shaking. Squishy Bunny is shook. He's on a stretcher also. Who else? Leave everyone in the comment below that's on a stretcher because of Chanel number 2, you guys. She's iconic. The gloss. Shook. So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. And yeah, and if you want to see another review from Joseph Anthony or another slime shop, leave down in the comments below what slime shop you want to see. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.